name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We represent a lot of people who've been involved in car accidents, and one of the first questions that typically comes up when we meet with clients in our office or in their homes is, what happens to my case if I didn't go to the emergency room after the accident? Well, surprisingly, or perhaps unsurprisingly, the majority of the cases that we handle do not involve someone going to the emergency room. A lot of times our clients are injured at the scene, but they're not sure how badly they're injured. They're usually in some kind of state of shock or disruption, and they just want to get home, or they're worried about their vehicle, or they have to get home for their kids, or pick them up at school. So there's a whole big host of reasons why people don't go to the emergency room directly after an accident. Does that mean that there is no case? Absolutely not. We've made many recoveries over the years for people who did not go to the emergency room directly after the accident. Maybe they went the next day, or maybe they went a couple of days later when they realized how much pain they were in. Not going to the emergency room is not a determinative factor in terms of whether a person has a good personal injury case or not. So sometimes adjusters, when they speak to people immediately after accidents, will make a big deal about no emergency room and try to make people feel bad about the fact they haven't been to the emergency room. All that means is that you weren't catastrophically injured and your life was not in danger. Those are the kind of cases where someone has to go to the emergency room. But just because you didn't go to the emergency room right away doesn't mean you don't have a case. If you have any questions about a Florida personal injury case or a Florida car accident, please call me or my law partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901. Or you can text us at 407-644-4444, or visit our website at www.cullen-hemphill.com for plenty of other information about Florida car accidents and information that'll be helpful to you if you've been involved in one.